Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to integrate TypeScript and a Shoelace UI component libraries uh, for creating UI for our Svelte app project. So before starting, I'm assuming you have installed npm package manager and you have Node installed in your system, and you have a VS Code app for editing your Svelte project and some handy VS Code extensions. And also you have a browser installed on your system and command terminal. And since I'm using Linux, so I think it doesn't make a much difference. Okay, let's start. Let's create a folder of with our first video. Name it Shoelace and Shoelace. Okay, just go in this folder and open terminal and type our first command, that is this one, creating our first Svelte project, blank Svelte project. So I type it npx d git svelte.js/template dot -- force. So this force just actually create a Svelte blank Svelte project within the same folder. I hit enter, and then next I have to set up the TypeScript. Actually, I am skipping this command because there are some difficulties you might face directly at the second stage if you just integrate right away, because if you integrate some custom libraries into Svelte project, you will have some kind of error that I will show you very quickly. So right after you just type this command npx d git svelte.js/template dot -- force, you just type npm install to install the packages. There is a dependencies required for this project, for Svelte project. All the npm install the dependencies. So just to start this project, to see if it's working or not, I just have to type rollup .c. C stand for config, w stand for watch. So for C I'm using as config file. I think this is just rollup.config.js, and w for watch is actually that gives the watch for, it will automatically watch for changes happening in our app. Hit enter, and it says module type. So I think I have not installed some packages. Let me see if I am not wrong. Let's open up this